Class 4 Lead India Bharat Ratna School. This is my English project. My mini dictionary. Class 4. Teacher's name Beatrice Ma'am. School Lead India Bharat Ratna. This is my cover page. I wrote words and their meanings, sentences in alphabetical order. I pasted pictures related to them. Words with A. Animation, alligator. With A. Animation, alligator. Meaning, animation. Liveliness. The animation for the film took over the 2 years to complete. Alligator meaning, a large semi-aquatic reptile similar to a crocodile. Sentence. The alligator comes out of the mud with quakings of the earth. I pasted related to pictures. Words, meanings and their sentences from A to Z. For each letter I wrote 2 words. Like this I wrote to Z. This is my mini dictionary.